we're gonna be legends. Gonna get their attention. What we're doing here ain't.
Hello guys, hello beautiful people. My name is Emiel. I am a guide for the Legends of Bruges, best walking tours in the world, if you ask me. And I'm used to take people through the city on a hyper sensational walking tour through the beautiful streets of this historical monument. But since the whole world is in lockdown, I cannot do those guiding things anymore. Yet I would like to tell you something about our beautiful city from out of my room. And I would like to take you to one of the more hidden places here in Bruges, but yet one of my favorites, which is the Astrid Park. The Astrid Park, or the Botanical Gardens, in our West Flemish dialect we say the Botanikenhof. This park is a true hidden green treasure within the city walls of the city, and there are sources that say that this park kind of place goes back to the 13th century. So this is an old place, going 700 years back in time, where at that moment you will find a big monastery at that place. A monastery with monks, and monks need a nice garden to meditate and do their monkey things, I don't know, and just live their monk life over there. So it's a nice open place. And it stayed like that for a very long time, until the end of the 18th century, a good 200 years ago. There was something that was called the French Revolution, right? And as the French Revolution spread it all over Europe, the attitude towards Christian communities and their presence in the daily life, it changed a lot. Yeah? So the monastery the monks had to move out, and the whole place came into the hands of other people. And then there was, of course, what are we going to do with this open place? So there was like this one guy, and he said, let's build a jail on it. Yeah, a jail. Like a nice, beautiful part of the Bruges jail. But then people here are so nice. Super, super nice people. And if you have a jail with no one to put in, it's not so interesting to do so. So they decided to invest money into the construction of a beautiful church at the entrance of the park. I'm talking about the Magdalene Church, a church where you can find nowadays a beautiful, cool hipster coffee bar. And in that church you can even organize alternative festivities. It's pretty cool. If you walk next to that church and you enter the park like that, you'll find a super nice playground, totally renovated, and also a beautiful kiosk where you can organize like concerts, an open kiosk with concerts. It's very, very beautiful. And also the beautiful fountains. Now, walking in this park really gives you like the impression that you are walking through a nice open landscape. That's because a architect from Leuven designed this park, like with all the narrow streets and the bushes, and as if someone put a lot of thoughts in it. Makes you think that you are actually not walking into a city, but you are walking through the Astrid Park, and the name itself comes from a Belgian queen that back in the days when royalties still had a good reputation here in this country. This lady, this Queen Astrid, died, and in 1935 I think they named this park after her.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please share, and you can always leave a donation for the guide. There'll be more videos on our YouTube channel, so subscribe and stay tuned.